Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage in a crock pot. First, select a fresh, firm head of green cabbage, typically weighing around 2 to 3 pounds. You'll want to core it and then chop it into manageable 1-inch to 2-inch pieces. Next, gather your other ingredients, such as 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of vegetable or chicken broth, and your preferred seasonings like salt and black pepper. Preparing these items beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by placing all your chopped cabbage into a 6-quart or larger slow cooker. Distribute 4 tablespoons of butter evenly over the cabbage, then pour in 1 cup of your chosen broth. Season generously with salt and black pepper to taste. Cover your slow cooker and cook on the low setting for 4 to 6 hours, or on the high setting for 2 to 3 hours until the cabbage is wonderfully tender. To elevate your crock pot cabbage, consider adding other ingredients. For a heartier dish, try incorporating half a pound of smoked sausage or crispy bacon during the last hour of cooking. Diced onions, carrots, or potatoes can also be added at the beginning for more texture and flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with spices. A teaspoon of caraway seeds or a splash of apple cider vinegar can add a delightful tang. Once your cabbage is perfectly tender, it's ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot as a comforting side dish alongside roasted chicken, pork, or the classic corned beef. For a touch of freshness, garnish with some chopped fresh parsley or a light sprinkle of paprika. This dish is not only delicious, but also makes for great leftovers, which can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.